Hello everyone. What I've got here is an Emerson heat fan, blender fan, whatever you want to call them, that needs the blade irons removed because I'm going to be shipping it, and you don't ship ceiling fans with blade irons. It's a bad idea. Things get bent, stuff gets broken, so I'm not going to do that. The problem is that you'll notice the screws aren't accessible from the bottom. I don't know why Emerson did this. I don't know if it's an aesthetics thing or what. It's a little bit dumb, but it is what it is. It was the 70s after all. They did weird stuff then. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I remove flywheel off of these so I can remove the blade irons. I already did it on that one, so I thought I'd make a short little video doing it on this one. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is get this pull chain out of the way, and all you got to do is just go, let it go down to the hole, and it's out of the way. Next thing I get to do is remove this little nut. I'm just going to use an adjustable wrench, just like that, and it'll come off. You got to be careful because it's plastic. Next thing we got to do is remove this nicely corroded cover here. And in order to do that, just use a flathead screwdriver. It's a little difficult to do one-handed, but just pry it off like that. It pops off. And then now we've got this funky little C-clamp here. And of course, I don't have the tool for that. So guess what we're going to use? That's right, flathead screwdriver. All right. This is pretty difficult. In fact, it would probably pay for me to invest in getting the right tool for this, but I'm impatient. Yes. Not ideal, but it does work. All right, so now what we gotta do is find, there we go, that hole there. Get an Allen key in there. This is a 1/8 inch Allen key. And of course it's going to be difficult to get out, so let's do this. Like that, there we go. All right, now what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of PB Blaster right around the shaft here. Let it soak in a bit. And then I'll come back and I'll start prying this off. All right, now we're on the Black & Decker Workmate 200. This is gonna make it a lot easier than trying to use that chair because I don't have enough stability on there. This I can actually clamp the fan down pretty well so I can put some pressure on it. So what I'm gonna do is put this t-shirt under here and just slowly work it. It'd be nice if I had 2 pry bars, but I've only got 1, unfortunately. Oh, it's coming off. All right. All right, so now there's a much more bigger gap in between the motor and the flywheel. So with a little help of some HDF, I can kind of shim it and fill the gap, and I can get more leverage on the flywheel. Let me grab another one. Okay, well that's not what you want to happen, but it is off now. All right, so there's quite a bit of corrosion on this shaft and old grease. So what I'm going to do before I ship it off is I'm going to sand off the shaft just to make it easier to get on and off. And I'll put a little bit of WD-40 on it or something just to keep it from rusting. All All right, now I'm gonna remove the blade irons from the flywheel, just using the power drill. And to store this, I'm just going to set these back inside of the flywheel. Now it very easily goes on and off. But yeah, that is all for now. Thank you for watching.